Hi there, it's Michelle here from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand. And I wanted to ask, did you know that the Friends Are Like Seashell bundle allows you to stamp, emboss, and die cut some beautiful seashells quite easily? This is the stamp set, Friends Are Like Seashells. You can get it bundled with the die Seaside seashell die. And this large die here will cut 5 seashells in one go. And then the embossing folder, which is the Seashells 3D embossing folder, allows you to emboss that image. So you can emboss all the shells in one go. And I will show you. I've already cut with the basic white, die cut an image. So there's the die there. Now I'm going to stamp the shells, so the stamps all match up the shells here. So I'm going to do all 5 shells for you. Let's see, I think I'll do that in blue. And these stamps are gorgeous. They give you a nice dimension to your shell, so it's not just a plain shell. So die cut it first, and then just because it's photopolymer, you can look straight through to line it up to stamp it onto your shell image. Right. Kind of hard to do when I'm on video. And then I'm going to do a nice Flirty Flamingo shell down here. So there's plenty of extra room around the edges for you just to go straight down. And as you can see, the image gives you nice, looks like there's texture to your shells. And then we'll do that one in the green. So if you do want to have the color embossed shells, you do need to stamp them first. And the easiest way to do that is to die cut the whole image in one go. And what have we got? The shell here goes there. And you can also cut the images out if you'd like after you've die cut, emboss them. You can cut them out separately to have 5 separate little shells if you wish. And now this one is going to go right here. And now I'm going to use the embossing folder and emboss those. So I'm going to run that through the embossing folder and you will see the effect. So here you go. All stamped and embossed, so you can see there's now texture to that stamped image. So the entire set, the Seaside Friends Are Like Seashell set, works in tandem. The stamps stamp the images that you can die cut and emboss. So that's your did you know tip for this week. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to see videos in the future. If you'd like to purchase any of these products, talk to your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. If you live in New Zealand and don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'd love to help you out. Go to michellekritchley.stampinup.net and you can order from there or find my contact details if you wish to contact me, come to any classes, or get more information. I do have a blog, papercraftaddiction.blogspot.co.nz, that I have lots of pictures of different cards I have made using this set and these lovely shells. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!